that the flyer boy is dead. Find me another flyer boy so I can kill him instead. How am I supposed to run a war out here with no boys? And right near a Yumi base. This just grand.
My men grow restless guarding this insufferable fleck of ice they call Lorn 5. Though I do not blame them. Blood was meant to flow hot and free, not to run cold and sluggish. By Khorne, I should be commanding crusades. But this world, see how it denies me even my most basic pleasures.
Then perhaps I can provide you with some sport, yes? Our hunters clip the wings of the shuttle-carrying war boss Gorguts. He recently united the other orc clans. I believe he survived the crash.
Yes! Finally some sport! Eliminating Gorguts will send the orcs reeling! But tell everyone that I alone will claim his head! By nightfall, we'll drink a toast from his skull! This one counts as a war with me, worm. I'm insulted that he thinks he can destroy my base with his pitiful rabble of orcs. I will crush him, and his men for that affront.
That's it, boys. Time to show these Yumis a real war. Time to take this here world for us orcs, once and for all.
I am here to lead you.
Enemies of the dark gods, beware!
Carcass old Gorguts, the biggest, baddest war boss of all the boys.
Do not trifle with me, or be owned by the likes of you. I will destroy this world before I let you escape.
Too late, Yumi. I's already gone.
I see. You wretched idiots couldn't kill a grot! Take me to the temple! I must beseech Khorne for better soldiers! With me,
Yes, Master.
You hear the voices too?
Master.
I seethe with purpose.
It is as though 1,000 mouths cry out in pain.
Yes,
Open the temples to the blood god!
Master.
They will call forth the righteous fury of the
Yes,
berserkers. The temples can also infuse us with the glorious energies of the war.
Kill!
Do it! Summon the berserkers now! And scatter your enemies to the winds!
What? Grant us the gift. Do
That
not
cave
punish
is
us.
for the
We will
weak.
not run from the enemy again.
I seethe with purpose. Yes! I am yes! God rewards us with his most devout disciples! Khorne, berserkers!
That is the way to hell.
Do not trifle with me, worm!
We are ready to attack. When do we attack? At
At your command!
The orcs dare attack one of God's sacred temples! Stop them quickly, before we anger the blood god for this affront!
We do your bidding. Chaos, consume us!
Show me the enemy!
We must kill!
Yes, Master. On our way! Yes, Master. We are taking fire!
You favor us with your attentions.
We're here to serve, Master.
Grant us the gifts of the Chaos Gods, Great One.
Arm yourselves with anything you can find! We must have more men and better defenses!
It will be done!
Guilt will return in greater numbers!
We can serve you. We are eager to please.
I feel the warp overtaking me.
Do not
It is a good
with me, worm!
It is as though 1,000 miles cry out in pain.
This is the last
Sanity for the weak. Enemies! We need enemies.
An orc
Do you hear the voices too?
and kill them to the last! Got me over there!
At your command!
After him!
Legion!
We can
We are
serve
taking
you.
fire!
We are eager to please. You favor us with your attention.
Must kill!
Do not trifle with me, worm!
Enemies! We need enemies. Kill! Crush! Rend them limb from limb!
Bless us, Great One. Yes, yes, we will work
You hear the voices too?
We are eager to prove ourselves.
We need enemies. Crush.
Yes, Lord. Enemies of the dark gods, beware!
Sanity is for the
Not
weak.
good enough, Yumi. You can't touch
Yes,
me behind
Lord.
this here sparkle thingy.
That
Enemies
shield
of the
will
dark
protect you
gods,
forever,
beware!
coward! And when the shield drops, I will sink my teeth into your belly now!
Do your worst. Yous ain't got the
It
teeth
is as
to
though
take the
1,000
likes
miles
of
cry
me.
out in pain.
Now that misbegotten rich Gorgon's acquired a shield of that strength is beyond me! Still, a shield like that requires substantial power.
Fight back!
Once I find the power source, I can destroy it and render Gorgots defenseless! A temple is under attack!
Only true answer.
I've located the power source of Gorgots' force field. I must destroy it quickly before he reacts! Damn the luck!
Sanity
The force field generator
is for the
lies on the
weak.
far side of Orc territory. We must either slaughter
That
our way
is
through,
the way to
or send
hell.
raptors and
Sanity
horrors over the walls
now
and
for the
attack
weak.
the Orcs at their weakest
Of
points.
course,
A
we
temple
do
is
your
under
bidding.
attack!
Chaos is the only true answer.
Take us to battle! We are the destroyer!
My abilities are at
Enemies!
your disposal.
We need enemies.
Back off! Yes! Do not trifle with me, worm! Korn rewards us with his most devout disciples! Korn Berserkers! Gorgots! Over there!
Now!
After him!
We are taking fire!
Warp overtaking me. It is a good pain.
We are
The
under
temple is
attack!
under
Yes,
attack!
Warp overtaking me. It is a good pain.
Do not trifle with me, worm!
Chaos This is our master! We must kill!
Grant us the
It is as
gifts
though
of
a
the
thousand
Chaos
mouths
Gods,
cry
great
out in
one.
pain.
Attack! Yes, Master. On our way!
Oh, you! Get away from that power thingy!
Death to the false emperor! The path to ruin your will!
Enemies! We need enemies. Warp overtaking me. It is a good thing. Feel the warp overtaking me. It is a good thing.
The power source is destroyed, and Gorkat is defenseless. Now is my to slaughter!
Trust me? The sparkle-friggin' grunt! Where's that mech boy full of Gretchen at? I'm gonna beat him to a pulp with his own tools!
Back off!
Of course, we do your bidding. Do you hear the voices too?
What? Where's that artillery coming from?
Looks like the Imperial Guards come to kick your can!
Fool! We'll both die on this misbegotten ball of ice. You'll make a lovely mound of snow. Unless we charge their lines before they tighten their noose.
What do you mean, charge the line? Tell you what, you goes your way, I go mine, and we'll see who comes out the other side.
What? Gorguts! Where in the warp are you going? Gorguts! Damn him! I'll charge the lines alone then, and kill him when I next see his bloodshot eyes! Kill them all!
The Shrine got me good. Time to learn these stupid Yumis a lesson and get us started. But first, I need me more boys. Time to put out the special court.
Where's the
Hey,
fight?
boys! Where you at?
Orkz. What? If you say so.
Orkz is the biggest and the strongest.
What do you want? Wake up, boys! It's time for fighting! What?
I'm too big to be beat. I'm too big to be beat. I'm the big boss.
We better be going to fight best! Wake up, boys! It's time for fighting! The boss? Who is getting
I
shot?
have the power of Gorg
Sod
and
off.
Morg.
Chew him up and spit him out. What do you want? What is it? We'll clobber him good.
This is great! More boys! It's like you read me mind! You ain't no weird boy, is you? Send me to the fight!
What do you want? Moving out!
I want to get stuck in with the boys.
If you say so. Sod off!
Ready for stomping? Ready for stomping?
What? If you say what do you want? Sod off! Green is best! Notice it! Do we get shot up, yours?
I get the power of Gork.
Water is the first of the fight!
Eyes too big to be beat.
Water is the first of the fight! Water is as shooty as there is! Water is as shooty as there is! Water is as shooty as there is! You point, we go!
Ready for stomping? That's what I was thinking.
What?
Orkz is meant for fighting and winning. Hey, that little building works pretty good. Just needs some red paint and some fixing, and it's like new. Hey, Orkz, come here. See that building? Well, you get to fix it real good, or I stomp you in the head till I get bored.
Orkz is as shooty as there is! Orkz is as shooty as there is! Here we go! Orkz is the first of the fight! Orkz is the first of the fight! Orkz is as shooty as there is!
Ready for stomping?
Up yours! You point, we go! Boss! Who's getting shot up? Wake up, boys! It's time for fighting! What is it? Orkz is as shooty as there is!
On my mark, charge!
Orkz is the first of the fight! Moving out!
On my mark!
What do you want?
Eyes too big to be beat.
What? Where's the fighting? Yeah, here we go. Orkz is as shooty as there is. Up yours. Shoot, smash, chop, stop. Best. Time to get stuck in, boys. What is it? Wake up, boys. It's time for fighting. Green is best.
Orkz is meant for fighting and
Orkz
winning.
is the first of the fight. We're under attack.
Eyes too big to be beat. On the big boss.
Orkz is made.
Last Yumi base. Last one there's a rotten corpse. You think I'm
Green
kidding?
is
I'm
best.
killing the last one there that ain't me. Run, you
What do
Gretchen
you
lovers!
want? What do you want? Here we go. Yours. Green is best.
This is
Where's
great!
the fight?
More boys? It's like you're ready more stomping. You ain't no weird boys. You can
What?
stand in my way.
Hold on to the pin. Throw the other part.
Send me to the fight.
Where's the fighting? We better be going to a fight. Up yours. What is it? What? Moving out. say so. Boss?
Send
Who
me
is
to
getting
the
shot
fight.
up?
Orcs is meant for fighting and winning.
Yeah, you point, we go. Wake up, boys. It's time for fighting. Reading back. Orcs is made for fighting. Sod off.
Orkz is the first to the fight! Orkz is a shooting
Orcs is the biggest and the strongest.
Reading back.
Stop! Please! I'll tell you whatever you want. I'll tell you everything.
Why are you here on my world? Answer me, and I'll show you mercy.
We were assigned to retrieve a Titan at Dominatus. It was badly damaged in the defense of this world ages ago. We were hoping to repair it.
Titan? What that?
Power unimaginable, Gorguts. A war machine unlike any other. A weapon to devastate worlds, entire star systems even. If I could gain control of the Titan, none could stand in my way. I'd be a god. Organize your forces, Gorguts, and let us be done with these Imperial Guardsmen. Afterwards, we'll settle matters between us.
Sounds good, Troll. I'll gather the boys, and once I crush the Umis, I'll help you bleed something good.
Not unless I crush you under the Titan's heel first, Gorguts.